Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a Saviland acrylic nail kit review, and this is the system that you can make your own acrylic powders. So they're selling like the chalks, and they're selling the acrylic powder and monomer and brushes and all that stuff. So today I'm going to be giving you a review. So if you're new to my channel, you should totally subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. So let's get started. So what comes in the box is you have these, and I guess this is for your monomer. You have some dual forms. You have an acrylic nail brush. We have the monomer. This is the monomer. It's a pretty decent size. I have some more if I run out, but I'm not going to run out. So the acrylic powder, and I guess this is clear. Yeah, I guess this is clear, and it's 4 ounces, so it's a pretty good amount. You have 3 jars. I have some more in case I run out, but you have 3 jars. You have the chalk for to make the acrylic. I don't know why I took as long, but this is, it says hair chalk. Hair chalk. It says instant color. Change your hair color in minutes. Temporary hair color. I don't know why this is hair chalk, but I guess it doesn't matter. Here goes the chalk. So we're gonna make some cute colors. So let's get started with this video. Okay, so they have an instruction manual showing you all the stuff that you need to do in order to make these, but I've seen a lot of TikTok videos and I don't think I'm going to be reading this because I mean it's obvious. So here are the colors. Here are the colors. They're pretty okay, so that was my power that went out. We're just gonna disregard that. So I'm gonna try to make some pretty like winter colors. I've made 2 already, and these are the colors that I made. I might just swatch them here, but I haven't edited that video, but I don't think I'm gonna be editing. I think I'm just gonna be doing this video because why not, since I'm already making a video about this. I guess I'll just, because I'm really just doing the same thing. Okay, but I made this color with just a regular kit. It's like a pretty gray. I don't have any gray acrylic, and I made this pretty brown color. So I might just swatch them using this. Smells pretty weird, but I'm gonna try using their brush. Honestly, this looks like cocoa powder. I'm gonna zoom in. So there goes my gray. Ooh, you cannot see that, child. Oh, let me move this out of the way. Okay, there goes the gray. It looks pretty dark. I don't know if it's the camera lighting or is it my lighting, but I haven't used these colors. But there goes the gray. Here goes the brown. Now you can really see the brown. So yeah, those are the colors that I've already made from another, just some chalk that I got from Joann's. Yeah, so we're just gonna make some more. I don't really know what colors I'm going for. I kind of want like a burgundy, but these are the jars that they gave me. And I think I'm gonna start with this color. Wow, everything is just going wrong. Okay, so the nail drill that I'm going to be using is the nail drill from a cart, which is the JD 700 nail drill. I've had this for like almost 2 years now, and it's still working really good. Okay, so I'm just going to be using this burgundy, kind of like burgundy, and if it's this burgundy color, and if it's not the color I'm going for, I think I'm just going to add some black to it. We're just going to turn this on a low setting, and this gets kind of messy, so I'm gonna try to put it down further. Oh wow. Y'all didn't see that. See, I'm sorry. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try to pour some of this acrylic. So it's about half of jar of chalk. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Saviland acrylic powder, and I'm just going to add some. I'm just going to add some acrylic powder. In there, and it's pretty small, so I'm just going to mix it. So now we're going to test the color out and see what we get. So this is how it's looking so far. And then I'm just gonna, oh wow, that's the color I want. Oh, that's like a pretty red. Wow, that is pretty. Okay, so that's that color, and it's just a burgundy color. Now, I don't know how many of these I'm going to be doing, but I just want to make a lot of fall colors, or colors that I don't have. So I do not have a color like this. It's very much darker than how it looks. Okay, so the next color that I'm going to be making is this pretty blue color. I do not have a color like this, so I'm going to be trying to make this like it could go for a pretty fall color or winter color. I would pour it in here, but as you can see, it's mixed with the red. I ain't trying to get purple, okay? So I'm gonna put some powder in here, and I honestly don't know what color this is. I don't know if it's clear or white powder. It just says acrylic powder. Okay, I think that's pretty good. So we're gonna bring back out the testing, and I don't know what I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a yellow, outcast around the red. So I don't know if that's coming from the monomer or what, but that looks kind of tacky. So that's how it's looking. I'm gonna put it right here. So that goes the blue color. Very dark blue. I most definitely do not, or maybe I do. Actually, I don't know what I got, okay? We're just gonna move on to the next color, but it's very much so darker than what came out. I know I'm doing like very basic colors, like, but I don't have these colors, so I'm gonna be using this yellow. I think I'm gonna add some orange to it to get like a gold. But yeah, we're just gonna be blending this yellow. Now I'm going to be adding some of this orange to the mixture. So we're just going to see how that turns out. Okay. So we're just going to add that little bit for now. And we're going to add the powder. Okay, so now we're going to test it out. I just tried mixing it so that it looks like a pretty color, like it almost looks neon. I don't know, but we're just going to see. Okay, it looks most definitely orange. Maybe ooh, so it most definitely needs a lot more mixing, because that color is just no ma'am, no ma'am. I think it needs some more mixing. So I'm gonna be right back and I'm gonna try to mix it until it looks normal. Okay, so I did mix it a little bit more. Okay, so this is how it's looking. This honestly still looks the same, but not chunks of it. Okay, it's not giving me that dirty color over here, but that's how it's looking. It obviously needs to be mixed some more. So make sure you take your time when you're mixing, but it's giving me like a goldish color. Like it's giving me a gold color, so that's how that came out, Joe. Okay, I think I'm gonna do like 2 more and then I'm gonna end the video. So the next color I'm going to be making is this green. Here goes the color. I feel like it's going to be darker, obviously, because that's what I've been getting so far. Maybe I put too much chalk. Not chalk, yeah, well, wow, that's a pretty interesting color. I've never seen a color that bright. That's actually really pretty. That's very pretty. It's like a yellow green. Okay, so I just mixed up a pink using this pink that came out of there, and I'm gonna swatch it because I'm honestly running out of battery. So I'm gonna make this quick and I'm gonna end the video. Wow, that looks like bubble gum. That looks like bubble gum. Oh my gosh. And I do not have a pink this color. So that is really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna make a swatch of all the colors I did and I will end the video. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. These are all the colors that I made. I'm gonna zoom in. This is how they look, with this being the burgundy, the pink, the yellow. It was supposed to be gold, but it's kind of gold at the top and yellow at the bottom, so I need to mix it more. The pretty green that came out perfect, and the blue. So everything came out perfect except the yellow, but that's on my part because I wanted to be extra and mix some stuff together, child. But yeah, I really enjoyed this kit. It is a good kit. I would totally recommend it. It's only $26, so it's really not that expensive. You know, it's a good starter kit. Like if you want to make your own acrylics and stuff like that, like it's a good kit to start off with. So yeah, it comes with the dual forms. I didn't get to use the dual forms this time, but hey, it's always good to have a lot of dual forms on hand. And I still have a lot of chalk left over to make more colors, so I think I will be experimenting with more colors. But yeah, these are cute little jars, hold a pretty decent amount of product, so I'm not really worried about that. You can also buy your own jars. I bought these actually from Joann's. I think these are like lip balm containers. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be doing more nail reviews, so stay tuned for that. I also have studio vlogs that come out. I haven't posted a studio vlog recently because there hasn't really been much activity going on. Well, there has been, but I just haven't been wanting to film. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this Saviland review. Please subscribe for more videos like this, and please also check out my candle business. Let me plug. I do make candles. This is cinnamon vanilla, and y'all, it smells so good. I do make candles, so make sure you go check that out. The holidays are coming, so it'll be a good Christmas gift, okay? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this nail review. I will be doing more, and I will be seeing you in my next video.
It's on you, but I won't pay. The tide's rolling in, but you jumping.